welcome to Thailand. Today we are going to be opening, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this toy anyway. I've never been so excited. Oh my gosh, look, it's the Peppa Pig house, garden, home and play set. We can finally have a house for our Peppa Pig toys, and right at the top is a Peppa Pig figure, as you can see. And this is very big. Let's look at the back and see what sets we can collect. We have most of these sets what we're going to open. So here's the house. No, it's not that. Here's the house set what we have. And this is the doctor set. We got the classroom set. Have you seen that video, guys? And then the camper van set I really hope to get. We also have that car set. We have the swing set, and in the next video we're going to open the swing set, and hopefully we can get that boat set very soon. So let's open this up and we're going to see inside of it. Okay, so we've opened it and we have got our Peppa Pig figure out. Hi Peppa Pig. We've got a lot of Peppa Pig figures so far. Let's open the house up. You need to twist this little thing. Oh, that was easy. Oh, and everything is wrapped up inside. So let's open everything, all the wrapped up pieces inside, and have a look. Okay, we've opened all the things up out of the plastic. So we have a seesaw. We have a tree. We have like a pit, some play areas. Got a purple bed, a blue chair, and lastly of all is a George figure. Let's put everything together, hey? Let's put the chair in the living room. Seesaw can go in here, and the tree, of course, does go here. Now, I see something, some tape on the bottom, so I need to just rip that off. I don't know what this is, but I'm just going to rip it off now. Oops, I don't want to knock down a house. Oops. I don't know where the bed should go. Maybe I'll put it just here for now, because there's no landing up there. And then we have a play area. And I don't know what these are. Comment down below what these are, guys, because I don't know. George wants to, Peppa